Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change name in Hill Climb Racing 2. First of all, go ahead and open up your Hill Climb Racing application on your device. And once you're in the home page, tap on your profile avatar or the icon at the top left corner. You will then be able to see your profile. Simply go ahead and tap on your name at the top and then erase the current one, type in the new name. Once you are done, click on OK at the bottom. Remember that you need to wait for 5 days before you can change your name again, so make sure you have a wise selection and then click on OK. And there you have successfully changed your name in Hill Climb Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe for more tutorials from our channel. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.